So this is going to be a short video. This is my only insulated hive. It's a mating nuke, and it currently has several dead bees in there. They look like young bees, so. But they're still alive. It got down to 3 degrees the other night, and that's really cold for around here. And it was in the 60s. So, I'm probably gonna take that feeder off the top and just put the insulated cap directly on there so they don't have that air above them. I'm probably gonna do that here in just a moment. But they're still alive in there, but there's a lot of them that died. I don't know about my wooden hives. I hadn't checked them yet. I'm gonna wait till it warms up before I check on them. Please like and subscribe and comment what this cold snap has done to your bees.